again, ma'am, I apologize for the inconvenience, and we hope you enjoy your stay with us. Have a good day.
I hope so.
Sir, before we end, allow me to explain now breakfast with the this was a business center located at Labi level. The meeting room is located in the second floor, and the spa, swimming pool, and fitness center are located at fifth floor. If you want to make reservation, sir, let us know.
I would like to have a reservation after spa with my wife.
At what time exactly, sir?
6 p.m. is.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else?
That's all.
Then after the group?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are here in front of your room. Please come. Sir, allow me to explain the room facilities. You have a safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. You also have a mini bar if you want to consume snacks and drinks. Don't forget to fill the mini bar space. This is the remote for your TV, television, connection. We have YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify if you want to watch a movie. To make an incoming call, press 0 for operational assistance, press 1 for housekeeping, press 2 for laundry, and press 3 for food service. This is air conditioning map inside, and this is your remote. Press plus button if you want to increase, and press the negative button if you want to increase. Display on sir. This is your bathroom on sir. Press the right button if you want hot water. Press the blue button if you want cold water. And there's also your amenities for your bathroom. There's a towel, shampoo, conditioner, extra toothpaste, and toothbrush.
Okay, thank you. I will answer again for that.
Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
Okay, thank you.
For our medical facilities. Okay, ma'am, we're here in front of you. Mommy, I will wait to meet everyone here. Tapos na, ma'am. Okay. Allow me to explain the facilities. You have a safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. You have also a mini bar if you want to consume snacks and drinks. Don't forget to fill the mini bar list. And this is your remote control. This is your remote control. The television channel is with internet connection. We have here YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix. If you want to watch a movie, and this is your view to the ocean, so you can see. And this is your bedside lamp, and this is your air conditioner, and this This is the remote control for the air condition. Just push plus button if you want to increase it, and negative button if you want to reduce it. And follow me, ma'am. This is your bathroom. For the water tap, press blue button for the press red button for the hot water, blue button for the cold water, and you have armrest for your bathroom. You have a towel, shampoo, and air conditioner, and extra toothpaste, brush, and also soap. If there anything else I can do for you, ma'am, just don't hesitate to call me with speed dial 22.
Hello, Ms. Balos. Can you come here to my office right now?
Good day, ma'am. Thank you.
Ms. Balos, can you call on the head department and inform them that we'll be having a night audit report?
Okay, ma'am. I will put them. Hello, good evening, Revenue Management Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having a meeting for the night audit department.
Okay, ma'am, I'm here to prepare a few minutes. I just need to finish my revenue report.
Alright, thank you. Hello, good evening, Food and Beverage Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having our meeting for night audit.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Housekeeping Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having a meeting for the night audit.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Security Management. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having our meeting for the night audit.
Okay, ma'am, I'll be there for you.